Luomoi rice liquor production begins with freshly harvested high-quality rice sourced from certified farms.
This is our best crop yet. The water is filtered to meet our high purity standards. Now for the fermentation test, we check the pH and ratio. The result is 7.0, perfect for fermentation, it passes. Sanitizing the Luomoi tank now. Coverage is complete, now to dry the rim. Delivery for Luomoi, storage containers and bottles.
Understood. I'll check the bottles. All clear. Good to go.
At Luomoi, raw materials are logged into our inventory system for full traceability. Every batch is recorded from origin to quantity, ensuring quality to trust and transparency.
Luomoi rice liquor production begins only after all ingredients pass quality control approval.
This batch is approved. We can begin.
Luomoi rice liquor cleaned rice is soaked in water for several hours. First, place the cleaned rice into a large glass bowl. Pour in room temperature water and stir gently. Let it soak.
Luomoi rice liquor steamed rice is cooled to fermentation temperature. Now we spread it out to cool evenly.
Sprinkle the Luomoi starter evenly over the cooled rice. Now, stir thoroughly with a spoon until fully incorporated. Finally, use your hands to ensure even mixing.
Sealing the Luomoi fermentation tank now. Lid secured, initiating controlled fermentation. Sealing process complete, monitoring now. The sensors confirm the temperature is stable at 30 degrees. Yes, the graph shows it's holding steady, no adjustments needed. Good, consistent temperature is key for the Luomoi fermentation. Daily check on Luomoi fermentation. Consistency is key. Mash looks good, now for the pH. Progress is consistent, ready for tomorrow.
After fermentation, the mash for Luomoi is ready. We stir it thoroughly to prepare for distillation. The mixture is now uniform and ready.
Luomoi rice liquor fermentation converts starches into fermentable sugars and alcohol. Yeast first break down the starches in the rice into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Luomoi rice liquor yeast produces ethanol and aromatic compounds during fermentation. The yeast cells break down the rice, releasing these key alcohol, while aromatic compounds create the flavor. Luomoi rice liquor fermented mash reaches optimal alcohol concentration before distillation.
The reading confirms it, 15%, perfect for distilling.
The rice liquor mash is heated in the still. As the temperature rises, alcohol vapor separates and rises. The vapor is then collected and condensed. The vapor of Luomoi rice liquor rises into the glass condenser. As it cools, it condenses back into a pure, clear liquid. This process captures the essence of the new rice spirit.
The first portion of the distillate is separated. This contains impurities and is carefully collected. It is then removed to ensure the purity of the final spirit. We are now collecting the hard cut of Luomoi rice liquor. This pure hard cut ensures the final product's superior quality. First, we measure the alcohol strength of Luomoi rice liquor. Now, we adjust it by adding pure water. This ensures consistent quality and taste.
Luomoi rice liquor filtered spirit is clarified to improve smoothness. This process removes impurities, creating a crystal clear spirit. The result is a smoother, more refined taste.
We are testing Luomoi rice liquor for alcohol content and safety, pouring a sample into the graduate cylinder. The reading is 40%, check ABV, Safety test confirm full compliance.
Luamoy rice liquor bottles are sealed with caps to ensure airtight closure. This precise process guarantees product freshness and quality.
Luamoy rice liquor batch numbers and production dates are printed on each bottle. This ensures every bottle is traceable and authentic.
Position the pallet centrally on the turntable. Applying the stretch wrap now. Secure the film and prepare for shipment.
Luamoy rice liquor finished pallets are stored in licensed warehouses. The pallets are carefully placed on metal shelves. This ensures product quality and regulatory compliance. Luamoy rice liquor inventory is tracked under regulated alcohol distribution systems. Each box is scanned for real-time stock updates and compliance checks. This ensures accurate records and adherence to distribution regulations.
These are the Luamoy rice liquor shipments. Let's load them. On my way, moving to the truck now. Here's the paperwork. All quantities match the order. Confirmed, loaded and secured.
Luamoy rice liquor distribution follows national alcohol control regulations. From bottling to delivery, every step ensures quality and compliance. Luamoy rice liquor is delivered fresh to stores and venues every day. Our team ensures every bottle arrives ready for your enjoyment. Luamoy, bringing quality rice liquor to your favorite places. Luamoy rice liquor export batches comply with international beverage standards. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure consistent, safe, high-quality products worldwide.
These are Luamoy rice liquor retention samples for quality monitoring. We store them under controlled conditions to track consistency. This ensures every batch meets our high standards.
From lush patties to crafted perfection, each bottle embodies centuries of tradition, a legacy of quality and care. Savor the authentic taste of Vietnam in Luamoy rice liquor. Luamoy rice liquor reaches consumers as a carefully distilled rice spirit produced under controlled processes.
Luamoy, a fine choice.